This is Kesman 93.3 FM, a new wave of excellence in radio.
All right. So second chance be back. Now you should say we will. And the game.
You know.
Na me mra and the most questions he does. But I say,
does. Yanko dey me the be second batch. Question obi so obi sasa aya the CC no.
Where dey?
When them this question no can why.
Was it dey?
Was he obi say the CC 2 weeks in group obi sasa.
Oh, okay. Was it more access asante ko management and visa anako team no.
No, I say kotoko na na amponsa.
Oh, okay. All right, no problem.
Me into the me na koba na me dey asoso preko. So the moment started from na amponsa na I say Kwame Poku ko na affect kotoko no. Me na nyadwen. Because obi ehun say Kwame Poku ho no obi ehun ni input. The number of goals are now share. And so Joe more the ball within the kotoko setup. Checking the performance of the game against Karela. And one of the last time Ana Karela abo game mama lusu atu. But only di Kotoko team in that particular game mom could break record. Moreover, after on the choir and Kotoko attacking rule no omo buy no the be replacement no send a choir. Mark Vinicius mark Kotoko 2 goals. And the Kumima 4. Safutela ma 1. Nti Kwampoku goals or share no. Players miensa umbesi nipa ba kwa nemu no. Sajo omokra ntimi ensa Kwame Poku nti eno che how important that player ne eno che how pivotal that player ne and say jo odi nipa mi ensa replace ba kwa e kire say that player is so much important to the cause. This player ne kwa untimi nkasa ya affect Kotoko. It really affected Kotoko and obi o hwe Kotoko games ni bia hu ye Kotoko supporters say obi fun nice sia so omo team ne hefa no mkofa players obi abeka say enkofa striker. It implied that there's a certain hole up front it be see there omo ntimi mfele and say you hwe games omo boy a bia chese chances e ba ye no sabrantie ho a he was proven before Oko the code ball ni bebre beto atrem and Oko e de oye North Africa hono so asan akire se Kotoko afe no na supporters ni na afe no in the absence no it really cost Kotoko in the league na yebo area no. Now assessment of the Ghana Premier League organization member finish 6 out of 10 into 60%. Sponsorship for the first time you need 2.5 billion da nti sajo omatimi apaja edi akwa akoduru ho a na chese mpanimfo ne modebo no aso any enough but they've done well so far as sponsorship is concerned. Again the moment mi anko ani mu bebrebe enru 60 no ene say referee for no omuntu omuka yi moreover ska omuka so omde be mo omde bisi ne ya league na wi omuda so de omuka nti sajo eno na to omu max no. But in terms of organization, you take when was the last time you bought Ghana Premier League? No? But in Pennyfuet, me organize the league very well. Emma, whatever transpired in the league, you the league now by year, and for the first time in many years, you bought league no proper. I think it's about 4 years now. You the league now by year. At a point, the answer more points than answer unquestionable baby. No, you bought league now also more time players, or you key to the setup in the Ghana Premier League, Eco Japan, and Korea, and no matter the spice. I will league in a bathroom, but the sponsorship alone, and this is the mark clubs, no, proud to the commencement of the Ghana Premier League, no. I think say Penning for no, it deserves a 60%. Referees won the Sadio, and also more 5/10 in terms of performance because week in week out you're punishing referee Debia for George Vamawo, Masuelo Wusu. Gabriel Opoku ahen said you meet me aboba ebi mo ko 1 year ebi mo ko 1.5 ebi mo ko 6 months ya punish o ma na week entwem ye Mohammed ka say referee bi mo de bo anso ani at a point na ye bo games we are ye as a media man ye be ban ya be evaluate what actually transpired on the field of play no said you ye ba na ye can referee si honsem na ye can referee decisions etimi call so park no so nti referee kala na nkrofo na afu we there 5/10 am debe momo performance na ankasa anche dance any and I think going forward they will improve upon enema antimi anko and every follow to twa omoka said you I feel so more de bon be so any prosper can I say you cannot measure performance and then salaries or allowances. I make us say I disagree because I do everywhere. So person wa ketua na etuma performance is so important. Intimpani phone entry or muka year on time no. So do I think say no so affect certain decisions referee's performance no. Fans no so do omo ya de and Ghana de lucky fans that almost at a point among for raise concerns about yenya pack ye hwan ye kwa akotwe no ba so do this season maintain say fine be raise concern about say why na ye kwa akotwe no because game bia obehebia obenya 1 or 2 players am so okay so certain players are entertaining crowd no ya bobi bebrebe wa o stadium say o hwe o TV achi na o hwe from Samuel Ashikwe to his brother Masola Bekwe, Salifu Di Maria, Augustin Boache, Rashid Norte, Fabio Gama and the life Junior Elio Fabusiado have said do ye bet me a ba ye nya players o ma entertaining crowd no inti supporters no obuko stadium said do o ma no so hwe o ma ni je so mo itimi ekoye but the attitude of the supporters Nito can eye Cape Coast there and no affect Abusuado have said men there ye kan omko relegation I was Sebrekum omo coach and Stormson and said you and also nye I was said Diana Stars ne kotoko e wodoma I was see etimi a pam management members in Sensembe before the start of the game and also enye and then you talk of Obuasi a kotam journalist if you baby o gina so free ho na sem bi o kan no supporters ne nyaadwe no so do me believe we say nyina amwa and then supporters across sports stadium Olympics versus House of Folk so to me boo a gate back on nyina bufa security personnel so kokoro stadium no I think say nyina so entimi abonti na smart as supporters ne boama game ne call no said you almost so far baby no ma ne cost to certain teams and abusuan drafts a war relegation nti supporters said you men so memo 60 sa in journalists niti omo 9 media mema 80 said you ya ade pa ya bodewu agi players players ye timi gibi ho abi okura no bi say we na anamoka ya hype these players obi eke Augustin Boache obi eka Fabio Gam obi ebo reading media na and so she ya said you ya nsem teams omo call relegation kra na omo players ye bomudin teams are no more battle for relegation kra players on bomudin we hear the likes of Jonas Otuke of Legon City, Benjamin Bernard Boateng of Elmina Sharks said you all these players Samuel Wayo of Liberty Professionals you talk of Richmond Lamte of Interlies on also call relegation on munina media na yom ho adwuma and the number of videos next statistics and then some ayaka form no I can say media also etimi ayade by projecting these players and also etimi akobebi anti 8/10 for the media. Now for the standard of play so you league in terms of standard and the quality of play etimi akoso me when from the tactical aspect the technical aspect for the first time in many years, a coach is now taken to the old-fashioned 4-4-2. Yemfa born command number 7 and cross man on Mumpemshano, when whom be we leaking him. And most of our coaches have changed from the usual Ghanaian 4-4-2 to whether the 4-2-3-1 or the 4-3-3. Until the House of Folk team now 4-3-3. She medium team now 4-3-3. Shekotoko team there 4-3-3, but very usual with Kotoko supporters in the Crabber Stadium. One top Ninho, 4-4-2 now no be. In terms of the tactical aspect, I feel say your coaches said you grow compared to the previous years. Near him say you stick it to just a certain system and not a coach biabo. So in terms of the tactical aspect, I think the coaches did well. Now, secondly, to the technical aspect, players in there said you come baby. The number of goals are there. We see Taylor, Kwame Pepra, Josephus Aoko, Stephen Amankwana, and Etimi Shayano. Said you players no more de any, and they showed quality in all the department from goalkeeping to attack. One of the last time I ever Blasters match, who say a local goalkeeper and that pool more my Blasters. But Razaka Belua said you BBA Yachas or Yas maintain a position in the Blasters. One of the last time I call up to the Blasters, you know 9 local players to the national team. A Chelsea players no more de basso any intino munya sa call up no. You can pay the account and said you create certain room for certain players within. And I think say in terms of the standard of play, said you know more de bono was actually and who said now Niti was talking about mentality, and I think that was a bit psychological. I said who saw Magic League na into no more input in the Senate here. Kotoko who said Omun compete with us bill into Omu performance in the Senate, and there were issues about certain matches of convenience. Yet it in and trade a drop away. But from day one to the last minutes of games in the Barcelona, who says standard of play and quality no, there was 3. Obviously, if you know, they are only specialized in the mafia job. So you are part of the game, but I don't think say FNE only specialize in the mafia job. I think say in as much as one person I may criticize the F, you know, say omuye bibi na ya and also make me aka. The system brought good football back, and again in as much as some raising issues about wrestle back up on the who Ashanti region. Now also a fundraising wahani yet media kwa kutobi. Eto de bi abeko na coordinator na tinifi just of friend of phone so no back. Referees no mudi ball no. Wrestles kro mu nya bi eto de bi o say kwosre ball ni abo all these things no. I think say bringing the coach football back no something na untimi nka na unya afeni wo so omode ba so because for years na coach football na gu na say do yemmo into omo the coach football na ba, and I think that is okay. Again, the same FA won the under 20 African for Ghana, and I think that is commendable. In terms of the national setup, Ometimi has had the Ghana qualify to the AFCON. I think again that is commendable. And Makansa, in terms of organization, the Ghana Premier League on a whole, giving them 60%, nature say, and yeba kopen omoye, but moreover, omayadi. Obise Kotoko ediana amomanyi le dem se Saturday de meka na wa reasons amomanyi na se jo we de mamen sense so ni titi am expand bibi ba ko meka say they fought with the system and all fight with the system on win. And I gave examples of Kotoko management insulting FA officials on their Facebook page, and the number of words they used to describe the FA, calling them primitive and all those kind of adjectives on use here. So only open you were jumum. Nasajo, you need a certain favor from Penina. You don't use those adjectives to describe the behavior of Penino. But Sajo, you use our words now. Only fight here and and again, the Kotoko being a was Ghana Football Association. Sajo, I think saying now we are a Kuni Petrim, and moreover, Maka about how almost regi between them and the FA. I think say no good here in certain points politically within the ranks. Second one is Sikasem. Eduba bina Sikasem why they might be seen Coach Barreto, Penny for and Kai informants. And only Sikakesi as you talking of me usually much as $32,000. And on a cast is here Kotoko Ede Coach Mariano Barreto, a performance that is $8,000 a month. Me usually one of the Asaju Mensaka and Tinesikasem a factor. Moreover, at a point Barreto need to beg players to go and play. Because next you winning bonus akem, salary akem, into your self coach Barreto na players nature. Someone shall number said Dimochinamo here supporters no said you almost time Chinamon Concobo Bono and Farmer supporters no. And again, the interview say a players na come out now on mobile boss and come on crowd yet. And as Uncle on Facebook church and the Polic Nivia said you want some catch and really tells you what went on so far as the Kotoko team they are concerned in terms of money. And the last game Mumba against Elmina Sharks, I was a board chairman who 20,000 catcher players, and I said, Matissa more problem with Sikasem. Timunira Mona Monche, Namunye 800 million on Enche, but the players couldn't beat team a friend Elmina Sharks. And Sikasem a problem a cost to Kotoko at a point. Yantil baby as a house of folk no more compete for the league, no more winning bonus a coming in Omoka and a whole lot. The next thing, failing to replace Kwame Poku and said you and the medical team baby. The next one, injuries. I think at a point, na injuries how more check their made food. Habib Bebokakra, Kayeke Bebokakra, Mudasiru Bebokakra, Jamfi Kotinechi Kakra, Okra Peke Apa na said you or Sako off, a Siama Bayan or Sako off. That is the injuries na Hakotoko. These are my 4 points. I said you may believe say me amwa. Ama House of Folk Antimi Anye League no. And sorry, House of Kotoko Antimi Anye League no. Obi say House of Folk target any players ya tisi say omo pay omo nyina. So omo nya sa players ya say and omo be see perform in the CAF Champions League. Say you me say me House of Folk penny na me supporters kasa. The make catch omo and say a target for this particular Africa. And see a be pese ye beat me through group stage. Eho ena me communicator na me supporters ne kasa baby a make kasa de dru and say league ni yaje de. But African is a different ball game altogether. And Sadio Makan has said, if Raja Casablanca are struggling to make it to the semis of the CAF Champions League, if Pyramid FC with all the money and the kind of quality no more struggle to make it to the semi-finals, Zamalek are struggling to make it out there with the likes of Fejani Sassi, Zuzu and all these guys. Maybe a house of food penny at the American say, yen say you beat me a group stage, and for me that should be the target. In the place you know beat me now. But the target should be so mobility me qualify to the group C. Because players are here can now how many of them and they were experienced when it comes to the Africa terrain. My last one here, a dear North Africa for 1 year the right. Said you, yeah, the right and yintimi and modern Africa. But ye nisika. And said you be so be argue say kanina na kotoko ekonka Africa na has ekonka Africa no senesika sama na ali ni Zamalek etiano na enyepe. But let's ask ourselves the number of times and they keep players ewa ha. Yensen mu say hu bi o say sa time no players motivation here dey just to go out there and exploit or just to go out there and employ your trade and I say player no is so committed so betna Ghana no bobo for the namesake. And it will be per dollars. Now you tia 1,500. You tia 1,000. Now so tia no be say bra. Simba ebeje $5,000 a month. I said you obekwa na onko. And now kanena revenue say kufinya Stoke City wanko no. And now kana busu afuni na wanko anko be this ono no. Inti ye sika semne ha. And untina said you yintimi and compete. And when you hear the likes of Simba spending $7 million at their budget for Africa. Na yet ya near the 10 billion. See a conquer Africa and I said you won't say Kwanim wa Ali player omu Tonic is costing them 635,000 euros. Na said you yeah na yintimi and toss our players CB. There be a free transfer. Certain players or Martin fee for years or when you fully fit. A better you on time and I do my baba compete as you. Obedient certain siaka compete. The next thing is signings. Musa said you Madrid, Barcelona, Manchester United, Zamalek, Sundowns, and all these teams. Omoto players be failed, but they bought or they signed strategically. So omo kwako fo obi aba omo hwe baby kro. Omo mfa 10 ma empam 10 te say ye haye no. Omo mfa 13 ma emfa 13 ma. The last time I raised this particular topic no obi can say Hilal into signed 17 players. Said you agreed Hilal signed 17 players. But 17 players no sign on by how many boy. It was still Walid Baket man and elbow. And again, what happened to Hilal after eliminating Kotoko? Omentimi anko bebia e no chese sa signings na ntimi amomo. Nti ye pese ye ko ye timi ko bom modern dia. Ye nya ye the 15 but ye the 15 akogu akire no. And ye league na I think no be adwen so sa signings na ye ni na. So it is not good for our clubs. The next thing here, employing people strategically, people who have experience. I think I can about a facilitator. Obia onim game onim ye, obia onim the mafia work. Obia onim system ye. Until you don't employ anybody. Until the last time I can about a year has to folk no. Now you can say so much will be back on management and one. It should be an OG who understand the game so well, who understand the Africa so well, who understand the terrain so well. It is our question omre and our team alinki up so well who system no and we are playing the cast ni as to how obesi move. You say kotoko Sudan no because management no money so much experience in Africa terrain 1 or 2 things ekorium. Nti employing a well-equipped people who have experience within the terrain said you NOC is so important. Again, said you bonuses and then salaries. You pay players netana and being junior for the first time in many years. I shall not go with the Amaga House of Folk in the Ghana Premier League for the first time in 4 years or signing. Season in I won't say agent to be the deal, Bebasam deal amaw. Player na be catch team ni so me pese me call because market you na me general no of him. The team says yeah my own quarter but yam to akatu say Joe player no ni demeanor and psychologically things will affect him. Inti players na a person omoka obi dis radio vocal a Congolese international who is a national asset playing consistently for Hearts of Oak and then Congo, one of the best players in the Ghana Premier League. He can be tempted by any of these African teams. Inti sem penning 4% or 10 dia. Sejo omu motivating omu first can be count no omu fast our players we omu keep omu and I said I think with time players beat me enya enyama your teams are lacking in the African continent no Ediama Hearts of Oak.
Oh, okay. And the came young also there no NCR